Welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling to gain weight? Age can play a crucial role in how we approach weight gain. You're in the right place. Let's explore how. In this video, we'll break down weight gain strategies for different age groups, from infants to older adults. Gaining weight can be approached differently depending on one's age, as nutritional needs and metabolism change throughout different life stages. Here's a guide on how to gain weight age-wise. Children 0 to 12 years 1. Infants 0 to 2 years. Breastfeeding or formula. Ensure infants are adequately fed with breast milk or formula. Solid foods. Introduce nutrient-dense solid foods like avocados, sweet potatoes, and full-fat yogurt after 6 months. Frequent feeding. Offer small, frequent meals as they transition to solid foods. 2. Toddlers 2 to 5 years. Nutrient-dense snacks. Offer snacks like cheese, peanut butter, and fruits. Healthy fats. Include foods like full-fat dairy, avocados, and olive oil. Protein. Ensure they get protein from sources like eggs, lean meats, and legumes. 3. School-age children 6 to 12 years. Balanced diet. Provide a balanced diet with a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Frequent meals. Encourage eating multiple small meals throughout the day. Healthy snacks include nuts, cheese, and fruit smoothies. Adolescents 13 to 18 years. Caloric intake. Increase caloric intake to match their growth spurts. Protein-rich foods include lean meats, eggs, dairy, and legumes to support muscle growth. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are beneficial. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy. Strength training. Encourage safe strength training exercises to build muscle mass. Young adults 19 to 40 years. Caloric surplus. Aim for a caloric surplus by consuming more calories than burned. Macronutrient balance. Focus on a balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Strength training. Incorporate regular strength training to build muscle. Frequent meals. Eat 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. Nutrient-dense foods include whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. Middle-aged adults 41 to 60 years. Monitor metabolism. Metabolism may slow down, so adjust caloric intake accordingly. Protein intake. Maintain high protein intake to prevent muscle loss. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and fish. Strength training. Continue strength training to maintain muscle mass. Caloric density. Focus on caloric-dense foods like avocados, nuts, and dairy. Older adults 60+ years. Caloric and protein needs. Ensure sufficient caloric and protein intake to prevent muscle loss and frailty. Small, frequent meals. Opt for smaller, more frequent meals if appetite decreases. Nutrient-rich foods. Focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide vitamins and minerals along with calories. Hydration. Stay hydrated, as older adults may not feel thirst as strongly. Strength and balance exercises. Incorporate exercises that improve strength and balance to maintain muscle mass and overall health. General tips for all ages. Consult a professional. Always consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian to create a tailored plan. Monitor progress. Keep track of weight gain and adjust dietary habits as needed. Avoid junk food. Focus on nutrient-dense foods rather than empty calories from junk food. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity appropriate for the age group to ensure healthy weight gain. Each age group has specific needs and considerations for weight gain, and following these tailored approaches can help ensure healthy and effective results. Weight gain strategies vary by age, but the common goal is to ensure balanced nutrition and physical activity. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Comment below with any questions or tips you have for healthy weight gain.